we gave Bob the broken crash bar, and he was going to do his best to try and replicate it and then copy what he thinks it should have looked like. He said he spent over 60 hours making this full crash beam, using the same aluminium as Bugatti used, cutting it down, welding it, filing it, heating it, doing everything it takes to try and make this front crash bar work. He even had to copy the points where there was loads of mountains, putting in riv nuts and tapping in threads. The amount of work that's gone into this thing is crazy, but the end product is something I just couldn't believe. Oh yeah, that is insane. What the hell is going on? Here? What has gone on there? That is ridiculous. I'm not even gonna, how have you done that?
I just had a good guess.
There's no way. Look at the curve, look at the curve. Look at the curve there.
Literally the same.
That is mad. Like genuinely, like how the hell, I could understand the bottom bit. The bottom bit looks like it's not damaged. And I thought you were going to use the bottom bit and then weld off that. You've literally made an entire new one. Like how does that even happen? Because we couldn't measure. Every person we spoke to, it just said it's going to be too hard for us because we can't 3D scan anything. We don't know how it's supposed to go. If this bolts up, do you think it's going to bolt up?
Yeah, I guessed them good.
If this bolts up, that is definitely worth a subscribe to Bob's channel, because Bob's going to release a video how he did this, because I'm still mind boggled. I need to see the footage as well, because that looks crazy. I guess we won't know. Well, the first test will be to bolt it to that. The second test will be whether everything bolts to it perfectly, but it looks sick. Like, that looks crazy. Now, time to actually see if it fits up to the chassis legs. The moment of truth. Oh, that looks sick. It looks actually sick.
That is mad.
That is mad. We've never seen it like that. And do the bolt holes line up? Of course they do. No way. That is actually nuts. Thank you, Bob.
It was the most challenging thing, because the engine mount, that was just snapped, welded back together.
Yeah, yeah.
Radiators, we had something to measure, but we had something to measure. I couldn't take a measurement of that.
It's actually starting to look like a car. Like Alex ain't even seen this yet. He's gonna be buzzing. It's not even my car. And that is a 10 out of 10 effort, and is most definitely worth a subscribe.